Meaning of floorcloth.
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 Floorcloth. A floorcloth is a type of heavy, durable, and decorative oilcloth that is typically used as a floor covering. It is made by coating a heavy cotton fabric with linseed oil, which is then painted or stenciled to create intricate designs. The resulting floorcloth is a practical and stylish alternative to traditional rugs or carpeting, as it can be easily cleaned and does not harbor dust or debris. With its long-lasting durability and customizable designs, a floorcloth can add a unique touch to any home or business.